Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy M17 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's begin with finding and opening the settings. And before we will proceed with the next steps, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And I highly recommend using Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, so you can avoid some charges. And here, let's scroll all the way down and find software update. Then let's tap on download and install. And basically, because my device checked for the updates and it started downloading, I can just explain what you will see. Basically, you can meet two different scenarios. The first one is where your device is up to date and there's nothing to download. It will show you relevant information. So you're good to go. You can just close this section. And the second one is where your device is actually when your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.